This is our circuit, which consists of an ESP32 microcontroller. The circuit is powered by a rechargeable battery which connects to this socket of the circuit. It mainly gives power to the ECG sensor which connects to this socket. The temperature sensor connects to this socket and the respiration one to this socket. We first connect the battery to the circuit. This blinking light indicates that the circuit is now powered on, and then we further connect our other sensors such as temperature. Now respiration and then ECG. Let's have a look at the demonstration. The user is wearing the smart shirt and these continuous blinking lights indicate that the circuit has been connected to Wi-Fi. When the circuit starts sending readings, the app starts a stabilization timer to let the sensors stabilize. Once the stabilization timer ends, we can have a look at the readings. These are the visualization of the ECG readings. Beats per minute have been calculated as 71.2, and as per the age and gender of the user, they have been classified as normal. The readings can also be viewed in full screen, giving a clearer view of the waves. Moving on to temperature, this section shows the user their body temperature in Fahrenheit. It also shows the user a little guide to figure in which category their body temperature falls in. Lastly, let's have a look at respiration. The user's breaths per minute have been classified as not normal because they are lower than 12. The user is shown a health alert and then a prompt shows up asking for the user's location. This location and disease information is then used to send a message to all trusted contacts of the user. This report concludes the monitoring session and shows the possible conditions, statuses, and recommendations for each vital. Lastly, let's have a look at the VitalSense app's overview. The users continue to select one role of either patient or health specialist. If patient is selected, the users enter their credentials if registered already. This leads to the dashboard, which shows the user's details and the readings of each vital. My profile section shows the user's personal details and the user can choose to edit them at any time. The My Smart Shirts section shows how many ESP controllers are connected to the user. Only one unique device can be connected at a time. Trusted contacts can be added and removed as per the user's preference. For trends and history, each vital's trends are shown separately. They can be categorized as 24 hours, week, or monthly trends. These are the monthly trends as per date and time for ECG and their minimum, maximum, and average readings during that month. Reports too can be categorized as 24 hours, weekly, and monthly reports. The session is saved as per the date and time and shows the severity level that had been through the monitoring session. Recommendations for each vital, ECG, respiration, and temperature are shown separately as per the reading. In the Settings tab, users can choose to turn on their notifications and location. The About Us section shows a little detail about the developers of the app and the smart shirt, and the Health section is a little guide for users to connect their smart shirt to the app. Now let's have a look at the health specialist. The specialist logs in if they have already registered, which leads to their dashboard, and it shows the number of patients they have added and the recently added patients. They can search for any patient specifically. To add a patient, they have to add the code that is given to the patient and it is shown in their profile. They can have a look at the patient's insights. This shows their overall details and is a mini look of the patient's dashboard. Same as the patient, the specialist can too edit their personal details. Other than that, they can view their patients. Trends and history of each patient is shown individually. Same as for reports, they are shown individually for each patient and categorized as per 24 hours, weekly, or monthly. In the settings tab, they can turn on the notification and the about us section is same as the patient.